So part of our treatments, now that we're getting into actually how we correct this problem, when it comes to sciatica, the number one cause is going to be the alignment of the spine. In the x-rays, I've shown the patient what's going on with the spine and where the misalignments are, the subluxations that have led to the sciatica going down the leg. A couple of things that we always check on is, as we check the pelvis, correcting the pelvis, correcting the spine, we're going to get into corrections by hand, by special tables that come up and down and realign the spine, or by hands-on with tools that get into correction of the sciatica from the cause with a chiropractic adjustment.